So hopefully, now that I'm submerged y'all in water, y'all can still see. That was the first time I submerged this GoPro, so I was a little worried. As a matter of fact, I'm still just a little worried. This is one of the GoPro compact, so it don't come with a waterproof case like the other ones do. So it's that's already it's built waterproof, IPX7 or IPX8 or something like that. I don't know exactly. I'll put it in the on the video here. I'll drop text on the video, y'all, so that way you know. Yeah, we're not going to worry about the Aberdeen drop shot hookup today. I'm going to put this jig head back. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure if I would like that on those bladed jigs. I don't know if might be something I test in the future, but ain't something we're going to look at today. So, and I still want to get this out there and test that thing out. That's a what's the other? That's a 1/64 ounce with a little swimmer, multi-segmented swim bait on it. I think would probably tear them crappie up, man. So, all right, we'll be on the lookout for that. All right. Well, we're about done with our reviews for the day. But I saved what I think might be the best for last. And it's not in this toolbox. That ain't it either. But those right there, I'm telling you, 100 pack. I got them, I think, for, I don't want to lie to you now. I got them for like $9 for that pack. Something along those lines. So what I'm doing right now, I'm looking for my box that has my frogs in it, because I had my TPE frog here. I don't know if you know what TPE is, but it's thermoplastic elastomer. And that, man, they stretch, man. That's a good, beautiful stretch on it there. I need to get my boxes cleaned back up. There we go. So many lures and so little time to fish anymore. It's getting out of hand. This old country boy needs to get a line wet, needs to get his butt in the woods, and do some deer hunting. I've had a hunting license for my entire life, and I ain't hunted in the past 3 years. Maybe once in the past 3 years. But I definitely got to get me and my kids back in the woods, because you don't keep your kids busy in the woods or on a lake, they end up getting in trouble unless they're really, really good kids. And I got some really good kids, but they're always busy too, so that does help. Always busy doing something, just like their old man. All right, well, here we go. Get this tool tackle bag all closed back up. That big old pack of yum dingers right on top, because if they're not on top, you ain't fishing right. Don't mind the back of my truck, y'all. It's a catch-all right now. I got a project going on. Got a spool of wire right there for the boat. Got another battery for the boat. Got a robot vacuum that I was supposed to throw away, but I haven't yet. I don't know why, but whatever.